Hey guys, how you all doing today? I am back with another video, and today we're playing some factions just for the moment because actually I need to sort out my stuff. Um, let's keep them. Let's actually keep them. And it looks like my friend actually came on and gave me his zombie stuff, which is really thankful. All these strengths, jeez, Louise, lots and lots of PvP battles. But I'm actually waiting for a friend to come online because he is some Prot 4. Yes, Prot 4. Let's actually put these up here. Let's just put them randomly up there for now. 16 TNT, which is good. That's good stuff. So slash spawn. I'm going to quickly jump from this. Gonna actually go to spawn, put these in, and then from there, look, no lag because we rebooted the Wi-Fi and it is all better, yeah. But anyways, guys, I will see you in a bit when I'm in a Hunger Games lobby, and yeah. So 1 sec. Oh my God! It looks like nobody's actually absolutely playing survival games at all, which is wow. Wow. Actually, let's turn this down. Let's just turn that down a bit. But wow, surprise. So let's jump back into Cyan actually. This guy texts me. Well, this guy, whoever you are, / message. Z. Do I know you? I'll just ask him. Do I know him? / F who? Is he in our fac? No. State Germany. Come to spawn PvP. Why? Why does he want me to come? Oh wait, he's right in front of me. Nah, pal. A friendly match. He takes all my stuff. F list. Let's see. Did I say he hacked? Why would he say that? Storm Eagle Undead Devil PvP 66. Sentinel. I really want to take on their factions. I really want to find their base. I really want to raid them. But guys, I might be actually getting a rank soon. I don't know when, but soon. I'm just gonna say that. I'm sorry if you can hear my GTA in the background. I just found 3 adders and they're at my house and I'm just chilling in them at the moment. But I don't want to go because look, these are gonna break and these are only Prot 1. That's Prot 3. But and he probably has tons of stuff. Any healing? Oh yay! Let me drink this up, and that'll heal me. And I'll pop that in. Regeneration. Ah, here. This is what we need. Devil PvP man. I'm like, ooh. Can I join Undead too? Okay, I'm full hearts now. / F list. Undead. / F who? Undead. Oh. That was my old can. Thank God they've actually Wolfpack. F Ali, will we? Because they seem to be a pretty powerful pack. The dead shall rise again. Let's actually go ahead and ally him and see what happens then. Maybe if I get into raids or they can get into raids, they can maybe, help me. Maybe. But yeah, I might be doing this a long video. A long video. We're already at it. Are we? Are we? We are? Question mark. It looks like no Mystic F who undead. No, don't think so. Strange. Wait, I'm gonna actually. Can I join fact? I'm gonna actually pop into another server. EMs no. Let's go into Lichcraft because I know the maps at least in this. So 24 survival games. Whoa. Oh, full donators. Let's go. Let's go. One sec, guys. I'm gonna quickly just make some music and read just the music and yeah. Okay, I'm back, guys. Hope you can actually hear this, but if you can't, well, it's not my fault. This guy's actually gonna run the same way as me, which is pretty no good. But match begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump, go, and I'm lagging back, which is good. That is good. Got a fishing rod. Oh yes, okay. Okay, we're getting positive stuff. Let's get this compass, nice little compass. Let's get this. Hopefully this guy beside me doesn't get a freaking sword. I actually have one as well. Mine's only wooden. Another bow. Whoa. Okay. Just shoot up like that. Yes. Okay, I can make an iron sword. Hopefully these two don't see it. Wah! Sensitivity is real. They don't think I see them. Yes, I'm making an iron sword. No, I'm not. Let's actually go take this book. I'm getting shot from behind. No! Bitch! Hub, I want a rematch. Rematch is happening, guys. Let's jump into this one. Let's just wait it out. Let's go over to this corner and see how many people follow me. But this, guys, is going to be actually my Survival Games 1 hashtag no lie. Yes, I'm going to actually record a load of them today and upload them whenever I'm bothered. And they're actually going to be on. I might do NCSGs actually. I don't know. But it's hard to find out. Yeah. Woohoo! This is my skin. I might change it. I don't really. It's not that good, but yeah. It will do. Oh no! Oh whoops! Let's join it back. Join it back. Hey I just failed. But guys, that video that went up yesterday, I'm sorry about that lag. It's just I knew I was lagging, but I decided not to do it. I'm mummed on the Wi-Fi, and because my bars just dropped. But that's okay. I'm not lagging that much. Look at them skins. Wait, is that a skin? Yes. Whoa. One. Three, 6, 7 people on. Guys, I do have an actual Twitch. If you want me to stream, I will stream for you guys. And Yeah, well, that's basically it. I will stream if you want me to stream. Stream some servers that you want me to play on. Stream some servers that you and me want to play on. Or you stream some servers that you want to be on my faction on the server that you like. All that stuff. I don't mind. But yeah. It's up to you. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I've only got heart for you. I've only got love for you. And now I'm gonna give it all to you. I've only got heart for you. He's going into middle, so I'm just gonna quickly rock this cat. Quite quickly, that was really slow. Jeez. Oh yes, this is steel. 6 goals, yay, whatever I want. Let's get him out really. Oh yes, he could go an apple. That was good. That was a good move. I'm gonna bring it all to you, all to you. What? Hats. Fun hats. No way can he hear me from the house with that guy. What? Okay, screw this. I'm going back to Aircon, playing a bit of Aircon. Or Mineverse. Let's go Mineverse. PvP. Beat up these people. Kit OP. Lots and lots of kit OPs. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Get shreked! Come back! My ping isn't that good! Shit, he hacked! I'm out! Oh, Enderpearl's going mad! Team! I love how he teams. Get away! Get away from my person! He's my teammate. I made a teammate. What's his name? We can be powerful now. Yes. What? Coming in hot! Coming in hot! Coming in hot! Get away! Get away from him! Get away! Get away! No! 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 His boots broke! I'm chasing after him! For my team! My team! My teammate! Oh, I'm so getting you down! You're gonna be sorry you did that! For my teammate! I'm gonna keep chasing you down too. What? Oh no! You have no helmet on, you don't. Why do people enter Pearl? Oh, he died! He logged and he died! Ha! Dope! He logged and he died! Okay. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. DJ, I killed him for you. I killed him for you! DJ? Oh, that's not DJ. Oh, please. No team. No team. I swear, no team. It mean big business. Come back. Woo! Ah, you missed that bullshot. Oh, get wrecked. Oh, I'm so taking on. I'm just training to beat up Aurora. Aurora RB because they got raided by Reckless. Lol, am I basically even claiming that I can still beat them all? Let's go up here and let's kill these peeps that are up here. Hi Joel. Why? Yo guys, how the fudge you doing? It's your boy the Sly Fox coming at you with a new video. And actually today we can, and we're not laggy, and we can actually play some Hunger Games. My last video my mum came in, so I will be extending that video onto this video. And you'll see her when she comes in, and you won't see her but you'll hear her. She was loud enough, and you'll hear everybody shouting in the house, so yeah. Or I might just, I don't know what will happen, but I'm not laggy because I rebooted the PC. It was a very smart idea of me, and yeah, so this is good, and what else can I say but only running commentary? Or I could put on music, but anyways guys, I'll put on music, and enjoy the Hunger Games hashtag episode 1. See. Actually guys, I might lose this. I don't know where any of the chests are. I know that they're underneath cars. That's about it. I thought that was a person. Give me a fright. It's actually trying to eliminate some people. Yeah, I'm dead. See? Actually, let's see how my cyan this is keeping. That's doing good still. Who's online? That's in my fark. F list STLIST. Mystic with 49 people, and we're Mystic. Aurora. F. They got, what happened there? They got really low. Online. I really want to join Aurora just to get their power up. There's 61 people in it. 610 power. That means all of them are 10s. Position 1 Skype. Some sort of chance 3 fire action 2, server 3 fire action 2. They're the same, but I want to use the zombie one. The blaze one just so slow. And let's get some of these good stuff. Okay. And actually, did he put in the scaffold? We need it. Let's not waste it. I'm looking for a new clan actually. I really want a new clan. Casta, I don't know Casta. Fit. Oh yes, perfect. What else here that I need? Let's bring 2. We'll bring 1 actually, and let's go. Hopefully there's people here that like me too. Hello? Hello? Really? Nobody? Who's online? Samurai. Nobody that I know. Well, actually, I don't know anybody on this. I'm like a lonely person. I don't even know the people in my family. That's okay. I'm recording. Don't interrupt me. Visibility? Swiftness? 7 days away. Don't interrupt me like that. I actually took the TNT. Let's do this.
To break it down, grab a mic, kill the stage, yeah, second nature now. Mama said I make a prayer, I told her I made a vow just to wait around. In the year I'll put her in a house on the shore or on a coast or an island. And every month I'd hop on a plane to fly in and take her shopping, whatever she wants to buy. Yeah, she made me who I am, I got the heart of a lion. Yeah, and for that, mama, I'm gratified. Grinding harder than everybody, so please don't act surprised when you see me pass your eyes quickly as I'm passing by. Grinding boys, trap or die, homie, I'm a mastermind. I got a smile on every day. Got a taste of the good life, and I'm here to stay. I'm used to questions, so everybody ask away. Hey, it's time to get high, homie, so pass the J.
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling. If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling.
Good vibes is the only thing we giving off. Oh, you say that you feeling it. Haters didn't get the invite, huh? But I bet that they hearing this. Making noise off the Richter. Kodak lifestyle, you better take a picture. Magazine centerfolds, now I'm thinking bigger. Fuck the average Joe, boy, you know I'm trying to differ. And so far I think I'm doing it. Anything is possible, and boy, I think I'm proving it. People looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. Yeah, they looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. I got their hands to the ceiling. Boy, it's indescribable, I can't explain this feeling. My life's so appealing, cause boy, I'm living for right now. All you people wearing suits better pipe down. Rest.
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling. If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, then y'all would see I'm smiling.
You know what? Let's see. I can join. Let's join someone that's not actually. I'm gonna make a VOD. Even if I join the clan, I'm still gonna make a VOD. Even if I join the clan, shall I say? This parkour. I'm looking for cool fashion thumbnails as well if you guys want to make me some fashion thumbnails. I'd be loving it. Ah, crap. I don't pick her. Hardcore is this. It's fine to do for hardcore. Actually, I'm going to keep on, after I get back, I'm probably going to keep on running, and I'm actually going to build a base, and I'm going to show you inside my base. It's going to be unreal. And then hopefully I can buy some raids. Quickly get some self-diamonds or whatever. These have a really nice shop. It was really nice, but I'm going to keep going positive actually. So, this way, I have to be going this way. I'm gonna hide them, so you guys don't get a sneak peek of where I'm going. I could be going 10,000 blocks out. Actually, that's good. Or anything. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna title this, but it's gonna be linked in with the other one. And I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like and if you did, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace out.